Hey, so what's 10 things that you should avoid doing before closing on your mortgage loan? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get started. Hey, welcome back. It's Monday. It's David Cathers, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe here. Click that little bell so that way you can get notified of our next videos every week. We put out a new one with questions that you've asked and people are wanting to know. So come join us. It's a lot of fun, a lot of good information, and you guys set the questions. Once you've got that contract signed and that loan is going through and you're excited about buying your house, just think there's 10 things you don't want to do that could mess that up for you, right? So first, number one, don't go buy any big ticket items. Don't buy an extra car, a boat, extra pieces of furniture. You're thinking, oh boy, I want to furnish the house and I'll just put it on my charge card here and pay it off later. Don't do that. Mortgage lenders are going to look and see those things coming up that can change the whole debt to income ratio, and boom, before you know it, you're not qualified for the loan anymore. So wait for those items after you've gotten close. Number two, don't quit your job or don't switch jobs. It's not a good time. Lenders are going to look because they are going to be pulling credit and everything's going to be looked at again just before closing to see that everything is still the same, that you're still qualified. If you quit your job, then you're all of a sudden not going to possibly qualify for that loan. Now, I did have one case one time where I had a client that had lost a job right in the middle of all the negotiation. We had just gotten to clearing the inspection and trying to go, and they lost their job, but we went right to the seller and said, hey, she's got an interview the following day. She's been in this business for a long time. We were able to, because the seller was willing to work with us and the other agent was great about it too, we got things through. The job was in the same category, the same type of job and background she'd been in. So she got a new job actually within the next few days, and lenders were able to count things that way because it was still the same, and actually created a little better promotion in this case. That would be the one exception there. Number three, don't open any new lines of credit. Again, that changes the balance of it'd be like buying the new furniture and putting it on a credit card. Don't do that. But just as important on that number three, don't close any lines of credit. You think, well, I'm not using these credit cards, I'll just close them off and quit and not have them on there. No, because once you do that, it loses that credit history that you have, or even showing some of your buying power. So don't close any accounts. Number four, don't pay any bills late, okay? Any late payments, usually within a 1-year period, the lenders are going to look at, and that's what's going to make some of their decisions on whether you're a good risk or not. So, and especially if it's been a house payment or a rental payment, don't be late on that. Number five, don't ignore any questions from your lender or your broker. Please, if we ask for something, the lender asks for it, there's a reason. Yes, I may have already given it to them, but they may need it again. Maybe it's been so many days, a new bank account, something that has, a new bank statement that has to be clarified and verified, funds or something that's shown up. So the sooner you get those questions answered for your lender or for the broker you're working with, then smoother everything's going to go. All right? I know you've been helping all the way along, but be prepared. You're probably going to be asked again. Number six, don't let anybody run a credit check on you. Every time, if you're going out looking, saying, oh, I'm going to go buy some furniture before or right after I get into the house, or I'm going to buy a new car right after I get into the house, don't start going out shopping and having them run credit checks on you. Every time you do that, it's going to put a little ding there. It's going to put up some red flags. That's going to scare the lender. So wait again till after you've closed on that house. Number seven, don't make any large deposits into your bank account outside of your paycheck. In other words, got a bunch of cash stashed away, or you sold a bunch of goods at a yard sale, and all of a sudden you have a big chunk of money, stick it in the bank. It's not going to work. It's going to bring up a red flag. They want to know where that cash is coming from. They need to have some kind of a trail to make sure it's not someone helping give you. There's nothing wrong with getting a gift And if you have a letter for that, a gift from the folks saying we're helping you with a down payment, and then you can verify those funds, that's okay. It's traceable there. But generally they don't want anything popping right in, just cash all of a sudden that you can't backtrack to, say, your job or something else. Generally looking too if there's some kind of illegal funds coming in. So that would be another one. Don't put a big amount of cash or money into your account that isn't traceable and doesn't have a background to it. Number 8, don't go co-signing for a loan. I know you're helping your brother out, your sister, some friend, and you co-sign a loan because you've got a better credit. Now all of a sudden you're liable for their loan. I know they're paying for it, you'll say to me or to your lender, but they're going to make all the payments and they're doing that fine. But the thing is, your name is on it. Now it says that you're liable for that amount of money each month. And there goes your debt to income ratio, which means there goes possibly your loan on your new house. Wait till after your loan has closed and you're in your house, all right? Number 10, don't take out any payday loans. Again, it's another loan. It's another credit bite against you. So don't take those out. And if you're doing anything, just hold on to your money. Keep everything smooth. Keep it running with just your normal paychecks coming in and any regular funds, bills that can be checked and balanced all the way through until closing. And that'll keep you safe and smooth and easy. No red flags coming up at the end here. So do that and you'll have a nice smooth closing, no problems. All right. So that's it again for our 10 things you should avoid doing before closing on your mortgage loan. All right. Hope that was helpful. Any questions you might have on that or particulars about it, be sure to just give me a call. Check out our, or email me there below. Love to have any of your other input. And thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. Forget again to subscribe here. Click that little bell so we can notify you of our next video. And we'll see you next week.